A total of 1,595 first and second year college students gathered at a pep rally. The number of freshmen exceeded the number of sophomores by 15. How many freshmen and sophomores were in attendance? So we need to define our variables before we can do anything else. So they're asking how many freshmen and sophomores were in attendance. So can I say there were X number of freshmen and Y number of sophomores? Even if you don't actually write down X equals the number of freshmen, Y equals the number of sophomores, if you don't actually write it down, at least make a note somewhere of what your variables mean. Like what we did right here. X is the number of freshmen, Y is the number of sophomores. Now let's go back to the problem. A total of this many first and second year college students gathered at a pep rally. Well, if the total is that, isn't that X plus Y? So we have X plus Y equals 1,595. We got that from this part, a total of. But then it says, the number of freshmen exceeded the number of sophomores by 15. The number of freshmen exceeded the number of sophomores by 15. Freshman is X, right? Which one is more, freshmen or sophomores? The number of freshmen exceeded the number of sophomores by, so there are more X's, right? So X is equal to your Y plus 15. Because this number is 15 more than this number. On these problems, the hardest part is going to be setting it up. So make sure you understand what we just did before moving on. From here, you can use substitution because X is already solved for. So we can take all this and plug it in for X. So we have Y plus 15, that's your X, plus Y equals 1,595. This is just addition, so we can remove those parentheses. Y plus Y is 2Y. We can also go ahead and subtract 15. So that goes away. So 2Y is equal to 1,580. Divide both sides by 2, and we get Y is equal to 1,580 divided by 2 is 790. Now we need to figure out what X is. Well, X plus Y is 1,595. So X plus 790 is that number. So we subtract 790 and we get X is equal to 805. Now we have to say what all of that means. What does all of that mean? X is the number of freshmen, Y is the number of sophomores. So there were 805 freshmen and there were 790 sophomores.